Hi friends, I have built these files in three different formats. Here is CDR for CorelDRAW user, and here is AI user. I know you better know about Adobe Illustrator. And last is PNG file. You can use everywhere in Adobe Illustrator, in CorelDRAW, in phone photo edit app, or in Photoshop. So I open in PNG files. You can see here all files designs are different. You can adjust your logo here, or you write your school name or college name, depend your own choice. Or you can make this logo for agriculture or food life, grown. Here is 16 PNG. And these files are for Adobe Illustrator, so I drag this. Okay, and simply that's mean you can change one by one. I select this selection tool. You see here you can adjust one by one path. So these are RGB color. I close this file and drag this file to Adobe Photoshop. You see here, and you can write anything. For example, writing is going to black. SK school 72. Color is our language. Here you will depend your own choice. You can write anything. Here is Sheri, SK Sheri, just Sheri. Color going to white, and size is down, and we select flag option, select this and go there. We need this. Or here is better. Size going down. Or more adjust, depend your own choice. Right, so you can edit it in your own choice. I hope this data useful for you. Subscribe us. Take care. Allah Hafiz.